Hello, it's Miss Denise and Hazel from Aram Public Library, and welcome to Cuisine for Kiddos. Well, today we are making
Butterbeer Pancakes
from the Harry Potter books. Now, in the books, butterbeer is a drink that is served. It has sort of a butterscotch flavor, and it has a foam on it, like root beer, hence the name butterbeer. But we are making butterscotch pancakes. So we've washed our hands, our counter's wiped off, and we are ready to show you what you're going to need. You ready, Hazel?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's start with the wet ingredients. 1 egg, now, I already practiced and did half the recipe, so if you were doing the full recipe, you would need 2 eggs. You will need some whole milk, and this is about 3/8 of a cup, but if you were doing the whole recipe, you would need 3/4 of a cup. This is caramel coffee creamer that Hazel is pouring in. And that's about, let's see, 1/4 of a cup of caramel coffee creamer. And if you were doing the whole recipe, 1/2 a cup. Ricotta cheese, 1/4 cup. And again, the whole recipe would be double that, or 1/2 a cup.
You have something to scrape this off here.
About that.
There we go.
And would you like to start whisking? Okay. Whisk. And we're going to mix up or whisk up all of the wet ingredients. Oh, you're good at this, Hazel.
How long should I whisk it?
Until it looks incorporated, until everything is all mixed up. Do you want me to help, or are you okay?
I think I'm good.
I think you're good too. What do you think? Looking good?
Yeah, I think that looks good.
I think it looks pretty good.
Smells
Let's
good.
put that over here a little bit out of the way. And now we're going to do the dry ingredients. 1 and maybe about 1/8 of a cup of flour. And you would double that if you were doing the whole recipe. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And these are butterscotch chips. And I put them in my food processor. And can you see about the consistency they are? Just kind of like crumbs. So those go in as well. And 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Oh boy, you are good at that. You knew just what to do. Okay. And about half a teaspoon of baking powder. Oh, it's just stuck on there. There it goes. Okay, want to mix all that up?
This already smells good.
It does, doesn't it? Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to add our wet ingredients and mix.
Just keep mixing as you do it?
Yeah,
Or should I
you
stop?
can keep mixing. There we go. And I found when I did this the first time that I needed to add a little bit more milk because it was really thick. gonna need more milk in this one too.
Definitely.
Okay. Maybe a little more still. That looks better, more like pancake batter, doesn't it?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Still a little chunky because of all the chips in it, though.
Oops. Okay.
That's good.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a little bit lumpy.
Good.
Can you see that it's a little lumpy? Okay, so I'm going to start and just spoon a little bit of the batter and spread it around a little bit like that so it makes a nice round pancake. Now, at the library, we have all of the Harry Potter books, and we also have the unofficial Harry Potter cookbook. Want to hold that up, Hazel? If you are looking for some other Harry Potter recipes, Aram Library is a place to come. Okay, so we've got those cooking. Put that right over there. And since I already practiced, I'm going to show you the finished product. This is what our pancakes look like when they're all done. And then, oops, put one on a plate. And we also have a recipe for butterbeer syrup. And you can see that this has sort of a foam like root beer on it. And it does really, this syrup that we made tastes like, sort of like a butterscotch. It's a nice sweet syrup. And when you make this, this is how you do this. 1/4 cup of butter, 1/3 of a cup of buttermilk, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Put it in the saucepan. Just stir until the sugar is dissolved. Then bring it to a boil for 1 minute. Take it off the heat. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, which is what makes it foam up. And if you can find it, do a teaspoon of butter extract. I couldn't find that at my grocery store, so I substituted vanilla, which works just as well. So here's the syrup. And we need a garnish of a little bit of whipped cream. And I sweeten this whipped cream with a bit of powdered sugar. So this is what our butterbeer pancakes look like when they are all done. We hope you like this recipe, and we hope you'll come to the library and check out some Harry Potter books and the unofficial Harry Potter cookbook. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.